Now we're gonna do the brake fluid change on our CBR600RR. It's easy and I'm gonna show you how. So, what do you need? Guess what? Brake oil. I got Castrol React Performance .4 for good doing your brake fluid. Always get towels everywhere. Brake fluid's very aggressive. If you get it on your paint, you don't want to have that. This is loose, and then oh, I think I can open it without spilling. One, the other one, and on the top. Wow. There is this foam thing. See? I think that it's floating on top and you can easily see it in here, I think, but it's, yeah, I don't know. Out of the way. Yeah. Dirty Eddie. Okay. Now I've changed the position. It's on the side stand now. It's much better. Now it's horizontal. I can see, hopefully you can see it too. Already bubbles coming out. Okay, now first we're going to fill it up here. No brake oil in. Now, squeeze the brake lever and then pump a few times, squeeze, pump, open and close the caliper. 1, 2, 3. See, already bubbles coming out, which is good. Always keep on looking the reservoir. Yeah. So, fill it some more. Up. No, it feels good, and clean brake oil is coming out. I think it's going to be a little bit yellowish on the video camera, but it's better now. Then we go to the other side. I do the same thing. Start from here, it's good. So, this is it. Up. Now, what I always do is get a piece of paper, roll it up, get it over there, get it in. There's always a lot of brake fluid in. In time it's gonna corrode the nipple. How you call? Yeah, I don't think you call it a nipple. Nipple in English is for the teeth, eh? And this one, the first one I got out. Now push them all the way in. I leave it there for a while doing other things. On the other side, I do the exact same thing. So, now we're going to top it off at the right level. Up, 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 up. So. Up. Yep. Just feel. We're going to clean. This one comes in first, floats on top. Then we got the membrane. Zo, kijk, and then this is the old brake fluid. Clean it nice, good. Up. Zo, kijk. It's nice. Then turn it inside out, and this is mostly water, moist. So up. Good. This one. Then we have this one. Just a moment. Clean that too. Then, yeah, this is really terrible. See, this is what brake fluid does, to especially aluminium. It's already much better. So, got everything in place. First, I got better screws. Even kijk hier. Black ones with cross. It's better than the silver zooi. Now, first you got the plastic thing in this one, then this comes over it, kijk, nicely in place. And then the only thing you have to watch for is that the text is the right way . Have to squeeze it down because further. Still squeezing it, otherwise it starts to leak. We don't want to have that. So, okay, yes. So, have a look. Tighten them, but not too tight. Just, yep, yep, nice, up. So, job done. I already got the bike again on the stand, straight up. Now we're gonna get our handle back at the position. Need a socket 8mm. Even kijken. Loosen. What I always do is feel with my hands if they are in the same position. I have to do it from the other side. Like this. And then I feel this one. And I look if they are the same. Then I feel now a little bit further. Yeah, this is, yep, tiny bit, yep, that's the right. Then fasten these, be careful, it's aluminium, so don't over tight it. So, netjes. I got this rubber band, and then up. Get a little pressure on the handle, let it sit for a while, so that's good. Now we go to the back.